Brad, I wonder, do you think she's just being very conservative and cautious in that PC guidance?
Well, I think it makes sense to be a little conservative and cautious about the world right now, given everything that's going on. But clearly, AMD is a situation where we have to go back in time several years to explain what's happening today. And that key decision to go fabless, to partner with TSMC and others in the industry, was so critical in them really putting it over on Intel. And Intel continues to remain fairly closed off, trying to do everything themselves. It's a highly complex problem that Intel's trying to solve, and they're trying to catch a moving target that is moving away from them with AMD. And so, while there may be some caution near term in PCs in particular, as we have this post-pandemic hangover for certain products that were maybe overbought or bought ahead, I think as you look at the long term, it's clearly a shift towards this heterogeneous compute where it's not just Intel x86 everywhere, it's AMD, but it's also ARM, it's also NVIDIA, and it's just this proliferation of compute across the ecosystem.
So do you see a day where AMD no longer is getting farther away? I mean, what's the point at which Intel begins to at least stabilize that gap?
Well, I think it's certainly in the future, but I'm not sure that's what you particularly want to bet on, because what we've seen over time in the semiconductor industry is the companies that participate in this open ecosystem, that work with TSMC, that work with partners, that try and stay ahead of their customers' roadmaps, they tend to do better. We call this non-zero sum, which is the name of our company, NZS Capital, and it's creating win-win for your customers. It's partnering with your suppliers, and it's hard to beat. It's hard to compete against.
So, Brad, what happens particularly in data center from here if we continue to see, say, on the enterprise side, kind of ex-hyperscaler, some hesitancy to spend on equipment in an inflationary environment and with a macro backdrop that's uncertain? Does that really hurt AMD so much because it's a share gainer, or no?
Well, I think so. Historically, there's been capital cycles in the data center. What's happened over time, though, is there's more and more uses of technology, more and more reasons to deploy technology. And the shift to the cloud, that's only gotten bigger. So while we expect there could be some cyclicality, you can look at the reports from Google's cloud business, from Azure at Microsoft, from AWS at Amazon. There may be a slight deceleration, but there's no significant change in CapEx plans. All the companies are saying, look, what we know is in an inflationary environment, you use technology to create deflation in your business. And that's always been true since we sort of entered the information age. It's only accelerating now as technology becomes more important. So the software, the semiconductors that underpin it, these are the deflationary mechanisms in the economy, and companies are more focused on them now than I think they've ever been before.